Oregon Sea Grant has been running the Public Visitor Center as well as marine education programs here at Oregon State University's Hatfield Marine Science Center for almost 50 years. Sea Grant marine education programs really provide unique opportunities that are not readily available in most classrooms. So we have access to this amazing Yaquina Bay estuary that surrounds our campus here. We have access to a variety of live animals that we keep in our wet labs to utilize in our class programs.
I don't know about you, but I know I will remember all the facts about a sea star if I'm able to touch it and able to feel it. And so one of the most rewarding parts of our program is to have students coming from inland and experiencing animals found in the coastal habitats here, and to be able to expose them to that for their first time oftentimes. And we always make a point to mention Oregon State University as a potential undergraduate opportunity because we do have a strong program in the marine sciences.
We've had about 45 graduate students come through the Visitor Center to do their research in the last 15 years, all of them going on to do similar kinds of work around the country, around the world.
We also run summer camp programs, we do career days, homeschool days, family programs, and also run a host of professional development for educators.
When you interact with the public here, you really see how engaged people are in what we do and how we think about the world and how they really want to connect with science and scientists. This is a valuable lesson for undergraduates to learn as they pursue their careers. We do research and development of exhibits, of programming, of ways of communicating science for public audiences to expand our knowledge about how people learn when they're not in school. The research we do here is done in conjunction with NOAA laboratories, with National Science Foundation funding, with the Environmental Protection Agency, and it's all geared at understanding how exhibits can be best built to engage public audiences with science, with engineering, with mathematics ideas, all within the context of ocean sciences. And ocean sciences is just a great way to do that because ocean animals, the ocean itself, very charismatic, get people really engaged and involved. Everyone has a connection to the ocean, and through that connection we can make a connection to science, art, technology, mathematics, any content area we really feel is important. We work a lot with scientists to have research funding and identify ways in which they can communicate core aspects of that work with public audiences in ways that's valuable for them as researchers who want to communicate about their work and make it available to the public, and for public audiences in ways that helps them really understand what goes on here. Like a lot of other science museums, Hatfield Marine Science Center Visitor Center is more or less run by volunteers. In fact, we could not keep the doors open without the high quality, very consistent volunteer force that we have. We do a lot of work with those volunteers around their own lifelong learning that allows them to engage with science content and things they love in ways they simply can't outside of this kind of place.
We really want people to value science, to understand science, the scientific process, and to have that connection with their local researchers and their local resources so that they understand and appreciate the value of both of those.